My Cosmo Cocktail Sausages have been the mainstay of many a Christmas party over the years, and I'm so delighted to be sharing the recipe with you here on Ocado. Now, I know Cosmopolitan isn't quite the fashionable cocktail it once was, but I can tell you, these sausages never go out of favour. So if I can remind you of Cosmo, it's vodka, Cointreau, cranberry juice, lime. So I kind of echo those flavours. So marmalade, cranberry sauce, some lime. As you can imagine, you have that slightly bitter-edged sweetness of the marmalade and that tang of the cranberry. A bit of uncompromising fierceness from the lime is no bad thing. Right. The vodka is obviously optional, but to get into the mood, just the merest splash. And now for the little sausages. You do need a shallow baking tray, really, because if the tin is high-sided, the sausages, won't get enough colour. They'll just braise a bit. There's no such thing, as far as I'm concerned, as a Christmas party without cocktail sausages. I don't even want to contemplate it. And now I'm just going to pour this over and just sort of brush all the sausages. Now, obviously, this is not the cocktail sausage's greatest moment, but when they've been in the oven, they'll come out so sticky and burnished, and you'll see the glaze has done its magic. So you see, look at these now, all gleaming and sticky and shiny. They've got their party clothes on. I'm showing unnatural restraint, not just eating some of these first myself, but don't worry, I shan't go without. We make sure I have enough cocktail sticks because these are sticky, and that's a good thing. But before I serve them, little cook's treat, some festive fizz. Right, time to get the party started, and you can find the recipe on ocado.com/Nigella.